Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the machine and grabbing the tool. Close Outlook or other Office apps and save files so diagnostics don't interrupt work. Note any error codes exactly and the time the problem occurred. These details speed root cause detection. Then download the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant installer and run it with administrator rights. Once the installer launches, accept prompts and pick the relevant product category so the assistant targets the correct diagnostics and avoids unnecessary checks. You'll now walk through the assistant's guided flow, choose the product most related to your issue, for example, Outlook or Teams. Follow each prompt, supply credentials only when asked, and ensure you're on a secure network. The tool runs connection, configuration, and repair tests in sequence. Let each test finish rather than canceling mid-run. If it asks to reset profiles or repair installations, accept only after confirming saved data. These steps let the assistant isolate configuration versus account problems. Finish by applying any recommended fixes and restarting the affected app or the PC when prompted. Many repairs require a restart to take effect. Once completed, rerun the same diagnostic to confirm the issue is resolved and save or export the assistant's final report for your records. If the problem persists, use the Tools option to collect and save logs and copy exact error codes. This information shortens follow-up support calls or ticket escalation and helps technicians reproduce and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.